Let us study chemistry together with CBSE chemistry tips and tricks.
First we can find the total mass. Okay, how to find total mass? See, for Na2SO4, how many sodium is there? 2. And what is atomic mass of sodium? 23. So 23 into 2. Then comes sulfur, right? Sulfur is what? Sulfur is 32. Plus, then comes oxygen. How many oxygen is there? 4. 16 into 4. So on adding, you will be getting 142 gram. We can find the mass percentage of sodium first. Mass percentage. Okay, mass percentage. How to find mass of the sodium? What is that? 23 into 2, right? That is 46. And what is the total mass? Total mass we already find, that is 142 into 100 percentage. On calculating, you will get 32.39 percentage. Okay, now for sulfur, mass percentage is equal to mass of sulfur. What is mass of sulfur? 32 by total mass. What is that? 142. Okay, into 100 percentage. On calculating, you will get 22.54 percentage. Okay, last one is oxygen. Okay, we can find the mass percentage of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is what? 16 into 4. 64 by total mass is 142 into 100 percentage. On calculating, you will get 45.07 percentage. Okay, hope you understand.